everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do just a quick install of the Ciro 3D engine guard toe rest in black. That is the part that I bought. This is what they look like. So this should be a quick install. I'm just going to sit on it real quick, see about where I need these to go after I clean my engine guards from the bugs. Let that sit in for a couple seconds. Rehydrate the bugs, and then they just pretty much wipe off. I just do one side at a time on the fitment, and then test it out. So about halfway up is where I'll stick it. It's what it looks like. It's going to be a good fit for where I rest my foot at. But I won't tighten them up all the way either, so. And they kind of fit on where this little lip is on the outside of the bike. They're lightweight, they seem, but they're aluminum. So yep, just throw this stuff underneath my lift. That's wonderful. Just in case I have to keep putting them down on the ground. My life isn't easy doing this stuff. There it is. Got it. So what I'll do is kind of install it loosely and then sit back on. This isn't really specifically made for any certain bike. It's like size bar. It doesn't say, it says on the website, oh, 1.25 inches. 1.25 inches. All right. Let's see if we can do this. Just hand tighten it for a second. I think down some, maybe right it around, and see how that does. I don't know though. sit back on it. Yeah, that'll work, I think. That's what it looks like. It don't look too bad. Don't look bad at all. All right, we'll just go do the other side. See if I can not drop this stuff. Clean the bar off here too. Bugs, 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 bugs. All right. Yeah, I'll keep that one there, I think. They're not quite the same on both sides, but they don't have to be. Well, that's it. Easy to do. If you like this video or any of my other ones, please like, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and I'd appreciate it. And we will talk at you later.